The first generation OK-VISE low-profile clamps were born as a result of Mr. Olli Kyttölä's efforts in product development. The original design solved a specific work-holding need in our parent company's flow meter production process at the beginning of the 80s. OK-VISE low-profile clamps function on the principle that when tightened down, they expand, simultaneously thrusting the pieces to be machined against the guide and preventing any possibility of play. OK-VISE clamping elements make three-directional machining a reality. This is a highly appreciated feature in CNC machining. Efficient use of the machinable area leads to savings in tool changes, causes less operator interventions, and results ultimately in extended cycle times while cutting down machine stop times. The OK-VISE clamping method is both an effective and time-saving solution because it's possible to fully utilize the fastening base. Low-profile clamps do not require a lot of space when compared to traditional machine vices. Low-profile clamps are designed to fit between the pieces to be machined. Small in size, yet possessing an excellent clamping force of up to 150 kN, these clamps guarantee a holding capacity which clearly exceeds the load imposed by the machining forces. Both the machinable jaws and the additional piece models can be machined to suit the geometry of the workpiece. This is particularly advantageous when round or odd-shaped workpieces are machined. Today, OK-VISE products are distributed to over 40 countries worldwide. This unique work-holding system is designed to meet today's demands in the metalworking, automotive, aerospace and electronics industries. The low-profile clamps are made of high-quality Swedish Orvar tool steel, and both the wedge and jaw parts are through hardened. Thorough inspection during the manufacturing process ensures the precision and the quality of our clamps. OK-VISE is a well-known trademark around the world. Our name stands for quality in every respect. The OK-VISE clamping method. Small in size, giant in performance.